Good morning, folks. This is JupiterGem. Um, we are coming with another segment of our gemstone and jewelry show, and so again a brief info about us. We are based in Los Angeles, online portal. If you have any questions or concerns about this show, you can reach to us on our email. It's info@jupitergem.com, or you can send us or you can reach us on our Google Voice, area code 323-844-3675. Also, you can see our entire collection on our website. It's JupiterGem, like planet Jupiter, and Gem, Gem, JupiterGem.com. So let's start today. We have an exciting show. We are going to show you 11 all unheated, all natural pink sapphires. Now all these gems are in their natural state. They're just being cut and polished, but besides that, they're all natural. There's no heat treatment or no other treatment whatsoever. There are 11 gemstones here. 10 of them have GIA reports, and the largest stone have a GRS Swiss report. So, and we have broken into 3 color grades. First 3 stones are almost very light color pink sapphires, and then the middle row has 2 gems that are medium tone, and the last row, which has 6 gems which are all high saturated color. So that gives you an idea of the all color, or in all colors pink sapphires come, and all of these are suitable for rings, pendants, and when you can find it, sometimes we do get it in match pairs. They are good for earrings. These are all very wearable sizes. So I'm going to start first with the very first stone on the left, on the first row. That's a 2.19 carat cushion pink sapphire. This is unheated. This is the smallest gem on the tray. Now look at that color. It's almost colorless, but it has a hint of pink. And I'm going to quickly flash GIA report. This is a gorgeous stone. It's a square cushion, 2.19 carats. It's almost 7.6 by 7.6 square cushion. Here is the GIA report. It says it's light pink, no indication of heating. And we'll move on to the next gem, which is one of my favorites. It's an oval shaped 3.10 carat. Why I like this stone is it's almost like a rose pink color. Look at the gem. It's an oval shaped 3.10 carat, a gorgeous stone. Almost look like a. This is one of the stones in this tray that almost look like a natural pink diamond color, and it's 3.10. Also has a full GIA report. It's almost 10 by 7.4 millimeter in width, oval shape. Have a GIA report showing it has no indication of heating. Yes, and yeah, it almost looks like a natural pink diamond color. And the third gem on the first row is a very large stone. I believe this is the largest on the tray. It's a 4.94 carats, oval shape, almost 5 carats. This stone almost resembles like the first gem we showed you, almost near colorless, but it has a hint of pink. Now GIA is calling it purplish pink. It's 10 by 9 millimeter, and it has been not treated at all. Yes,
No
it has
window.
a very high luster, and that's a report on this particular gem. And now we're quickly going to move on to the second row, which has only two gems with medium intensity. The first one is a very difficult shape to find, a square cushion. Again, it's a 3.37 carats. This is a rather large gem. By the way, all these 11 gemstones have exceptional clarity. All of them are world-class gem quality. So this is a 3.37 carats, 9 by 8.5 millimeter. So that's the measurements of the stone. It's a square cushion, 9 by 8.5, 3.37 carats, purplish pink according to GIA, and no indication of heating. Yes, you can see the color very well. It has more intensity than the first row. And the next stone we are going to show you is a rectangular cushion. It's a 3.91 carats. It's almost 10 millimeter long, 7.7 millimeter wide. GIA calls it a true pink, and again, no indication of heating. And take a quick look at that. So it almost a medium intensity, gorgeous rectangle cushions. So cushions are more difficult sometimes to find than ovals, but we have quite a few pieces here in this tray. And now we are coming to the last row, all highly intense. Oh, I'll show you the report on the 391. Yes, so we are moving on to the last row, starting with the smallest of them all. It's a 2.21 carats oval shape, unheated pink sapphire, and this particular gem is almost 9 by 7 millimeter, 9 by 6.7. GI is calling it pink. No indication of heating. A gorgeous stone, a very well cut, well balanced stone, easy to make a ring or a pendant. Like I said, all these gems have excellent clarity, exceptional gems, and all of them are unheated. Now, majority of sapphires or rubies in the market are heated to improve their color or clarity, but these gems are all natural, so they were just mined from the as a rough and then they were cut. No heating or any other treatments were involved. The next gem is a cushion cut 2.53 carat, very high intensity. It's purple pink, very high intensity color, exceptional clarity, no indication of heating, and again it has GIA report on it. Now, most of the gems here on this tray are mined in Sri Lanka, and this particular gem as well. But so I'm going to show you the report of this 2.53 carats. Unheated, no indication of heating. It's a cushion cut. Why I brought up the origin is the next two gems are the exceptional gem quality cushions on this tray. Now the next one we are going to show you almost look like ruby red. Now this is produced from the newest mine that came up in the market in the last 15 years, Mozambique. Look at the color, it's almost hot pink, very reddish pink. GIA still calling it purplish pink. It's a 2.88 carat, excellent stone. It's 9.3 by 7.5, rectangular cushion. Look at this gem, it's just sparkles. It has no inclusions at all, and unheated and all natural. So this Mozambique gem, this is the most high saturated gem, one of the most highly saturated gem is tray, and no indication of heating. And the very next one is another cushion cut pink sapphire. It's at 3.43 carats, and also it's unheated rectangular cushion cut. It's exactly 10 by 8, 10 by 7.95. It's 3.43 carats, no indication of heating. The color purple pink, and again from Mozambique. It's almost identical color as the previous one. Look at that gem. So also, as I mentioned before, cushion cuts are more harder, but we have a lot more cushions in this tray than other shapes. So it's another stone from Mozambique. They are just gorgeous stones. They're high saturated, and that's the GI report on that. And the next one we are going to show you again, the only one teardrop or pear-shaped stone we have. This is a gem, also very high intensity, and this is mined in Sri Lanka, and again it's unheated. It's a 3.25 carats pear shape, and 11 millimeter long, 8.54 millimeter wide. It's a beautifully cut pear shape. You can see the model is showing the stone. It's almost flawless gem, and that's a report. It's again a GI report on the stone. It's 3.25 carats. Beautiful gem, again, to fashion into a ring or a pendant. Now, like I mentioned before, heated or unheated rarely makes a difference. If the gem is exceptionally pretty color and good clarity, they are highly appreciated regardless, because 90% of the gems are heated, but always unheated gems command much higher price, but they're extremely rare to find. Most of the unheated gems you're going to find in the market will have some clarity issues, but these 11 gems have no clarity issues at all. They're almost flawless or loop clean. Under 10x magnification, you're not going to see any inclusions at all. The last gem here is almost 4 carats. It's 3.75 carats cushion oval shape pink sapphire. No indication of heating. We have a GRS Swiss report on it. Now this gem was mined in Madagascar. Look at the color. It almost resembles the high intensity Mozambique or the Sri Lankan gems. So model is showing you the stone. You can see almost exceptional clarity. It's a gorgeous stone. It's 10.8, so almost 11 millimeter long, 8 millimeter wide. We will quickly show you the GRS Swiss report. So as I mentioned before, this is the last gem on this tray. These gems are all exceptional gem quality, all natural, no indication of heating, pink sapphires. This is a gorgeous collection. We have shown you 3 different levels of intensity. According to your needs and your skin color, you can pick the color that matches you. All of them are highly collectible, and you can use them in jewelry as well. Again, we are JupiterGem.com, like planet Jupiter, so it's JupiterGem.com. You can email us at info@JupiterGem.com, or you you can call us on our Google Voice. The phone number is area code 323-844-3675. Thank you, and we will come back soon with another show. Bye.